A lot of care goes into the cattle. They're our life. The cattle have freedom to roam. I like to have my animals in happy, healthy condition. I'm Tim Wilson. I'm a beef cattle producer at Labatouche, Victoria. This property is 1,000 acres. We run about 1,300 animals. We have very high standards with raising cattle here to meet the strict requirements of the Coles Graze program. All our animals are fed on grass their entire life. There's no grain, no added hormones, no supplementary feeding other than silage and hay to produce high quality beef. When eating grass-fed beef, I think you can expect a beautiful flavour. Being able to choose the grass-fed beef at Coles, you're going to get the same eating experience time after time. Labatouche is a beautiful environment for running cattle. There's high rainfall, there's beautiful soil types. Sustainability is important in any industry, but particularly in the agricultural industry. We've got an environment we've got to work with for the rest of our lives. We plant 1,000 trees a year to reduce carbon. If we're not sustainable, we're not going to be able to continue doing this. Farming is in my blood. Agriculture's been in the family for 130 years. Growing up, every weekend we'd drive out of the city to my parents' farm and would spend the whole weekend there. My passion for the farm has only grown since that time. There's a lot of effort that goes into it, but I don't really work for a living. I just do my hobbies. It's fantastic fun.